Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings from Stripe Connect Payouts step by step clearly. To withdraw earnings from Stripe Connect Payouts, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your earnings overview. Click on the Payouts section in the left-hand menu. Here, you will find a list of your recent payouts. Identify the payout you want to withdraw. Click on the specific payout to view its details. Ensure that the payout amount is accurate and reflects your earnings. Once confirmed, look for the Withdraw button on the screen. Click on Withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. You may be prompted to select a bank account for the transfer. Choose the bank account where you want the funds to be deposited. If you have not added a bank account yet, follow the prompts to enter your banking information. After selecting your bank account, review the withdrawal detail. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You will receive a notification confirming that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Stripe typically processes withdrawals within a few business days. Check your bank account regularly for the incoming funds. If you have any issues, refer to Stripe's support documentation for assistance. This completes the process of withdrawing earnings from Stripe Connect Payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.